So here's the tea. I'm supposed to go to New York today, later this evening, but I woke up to some winter weather advisory warnings about a huge snowstorm blizzard that's about to hit Manhattan at 7 p.m. So I should be safe to fly there, but what happens when I actually get there and we get a foot of snow? I don't know. Last night I was laying in bed and I got a rush casting call and I need to take new digitals in a bikini this morning. So it's gonna be a little busy today, but I'll catch you guys in New York. Hey guys, it is Friday. So last night I got in around 6 o'clock and we pretty much just went out and got some drinks and some chips and salsa and relaxed. It was really nice. So we're keeping an eye out on the weather right now and it seems that we're gonna be getting a foot of snow. We're getting a little worried about being able to travel to the studio and to the museum and concert, all these things that we have planned for tomorrow. The only thing we really have planned today is sushi for dinner. We made a reservation at a restaurant we've never been to before, but New York always has the best sushi and just the best food in general, so I'm really excited to try that. I think we're really just about to go explore and see what's going on, so I'll take you guys along with us. Okay, our first stop is the camera store called what is it? Adorama. Adorama. Whatever. We're going to a camera store because we got a new camera and the lens grip is stuck on it. And we also need to get a new SD card, so that's where we're going. Okay, so at Adorama. So Adorama was closed. Closes at 3. So now we're going to Photo Care. And we might also buy a lens. Okay, so we got a 35mm lens, so we're really excited. And now we're about to go get a snack before sushi because I haven't ate since breakfast and it's 4 o'clock. So we don't know what we're gonna get yet, but something yummy. It is starting to snow a little bit, so I'm not sure. A little nervous about the shoot tomorrow, but I'm hopeful. The next order of business is a pair of Lululemon leggings because I've been wanting them for a while. I don't have a pair of my own. I need to know what all the hype's about, you know? Okay, I can confirm that these are like the softest leggings I've ever put on my body. They're so buttery soft, and we're gonna splurge. We ended up at Bar and Jew in Union Square and we just got some drinks and some oysters, and this bar is so cool. Look how awesome that is. And I got a drink for cocktail happy hour and it's called the Beeline. It's really good. Tastes like a flower. We just got back to the apartment. We want to walk the dog first before we head to sushi for dinner. But I just wanted to tell you guys one more thing that happened earlier. So I got a casting for Wendy's and it's a hand modeling job. So I had to take new hand modeling digitals to send into Wendy's. How cool would that be if like my hands are literally on a billboard like holding a sandwich and fries? Like I totally see it. We just got to omakase and it's so good so far. We got the 12-piece dinner, so basically they just serve it to you one at a time, and so far they're delicious. Okay. Thank you. Do it for the vlog.
I got female.
We're walking home and the snow is actively coming down, and I'm a little concerned for our plans tomorrow.
Okay, I have good news. It looks like we are going to be able to go on our little adventure today. First, we're going to the Dior Museum, and then we're going to the studio photo shoot, and then later we have a concert. And this is all in Brooklyn, so our main struggle today is just going to be getting to Brooklyn and then getting home to Manhattan. It is snowing out there, but as long as the trains are running and we can travel, we'll be okay. So I'm just about to get ready right now, and yeah. This is where we're at for makeup right now, but my stomach's growling and breakfast is ready. I'm now fully ready to go. I just put on my outfit for the museum. So first I'm wearing this cropped blazer from White Fox Boutique, and then I have these pants with these little cutout details right here from Princess Polly. And then I'm gonna wear my jeans over the pants on the way to the museum so that I'm not cold. And yeah, I'm really excited, and we're about to head out now. We just finished at the Dior Museum and it did not disappoint. It was so good, and now we are headed to the photo studio to do our photo shoot. Super excited, and it looks like it did stop snowing, so we're gonna be good to go to this rave tonight, which we are pretty excited about. The only thing is that the main act comes on at like 1 or 2 in the morning, and my bedtime is usually 9 p.m. so we're gonna have to get Red Bulls later. I'm not gonna make it. We just finished shooting at the studio. It was awesome. We ended up doing 4 different looks. And yeah, we had some really awesome natural light. And then towards the end, the sun was setting, so I had this nice orange glow all over me. It was awesome. And now we're about to go get something yummy to eat. We're in Brooklyn, and there's a lot of really good food places here that we want to try, just like mom and pop restaurants. Also really craving a coffee right now, and that concert is super late, so I think we're gonna get some coffees along with our dinner. Super, super hungry. It's been since breakfast at 11, and now it's like 5:30, so we're pretty hungry. Got the tomato bisque soup.
We got home and just kind of chilled for a while. We were watching the Bee Movie, which is such a cute and funny movie. But now it's like midnight and we're about to go catch the train and the bus to go get to the show. I'd normally be sleeping by now, so this is a big deal for me. But I'm really just pushing through and I'm really excited because I've never been to a rave before. So yeah, we're about to head out and I'll show you guys what the show looks like. We got home and just kind of chilled for a while. Oh, there he is. We're going to see Chummy. I'm a bad vlogger. I should just stop.
What'd you just say?
Is it Chummy?
Chummy.
We're going. It's
Chummy.
Chummy.
Do not post this. They're gonna think you're a degenerate.
It's one. No one knows who Chummy is. That watches my vlogs. Back to Brooklyn, baby. Hello, it is 2 p.m. We had a very late night. We didn't get out of that venue until 4, 5 in the morning. The main act, Shawnee, didn't come on until 2 or 3 a.m. It was insane. It was really fun though, really fun, upbeat, positive energy, lights, the whole thing. It was like so fun, but that was a very late night and it was so cold. Oh my god, we just like got home and knocked out. My flight isn't until like 7:30 tonight, so we're gonna go walk around SoHo a little bit. It's a really nice, bright and sunny day today, and just kind of want to like get out of the house and enjoy New York a little bit more before I would head back to Cincinnati. I kind of want to go to Think Coffee. I love Think Coffee. So yeah, we're gonna go shop around a little bit and enjoy the city. Well guys, I'm back at the airport on the way back home to Ohio. Just got myself a nice slice of pizza. I always splurge whenever I go on little trips, so I just wanted to end my trip with a bang. Have a huge slice of greasy pizza, and I'll be back on my normal healthy girl diet and working out. But thank you guys so much for watching. I had such a fun trip and vacation, and I loved sharing with all of you guys. If you guys enjoyed and you want to keep following along, make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.